Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing something really special. My beautiful mom is 52 years old and I'm doing her makeup to show how lifting techniques can enhance natural beauty at any age. But we're not doing just makeup, we're breaking the rules. You've probably heard things like don't use dark eyeliners after 50, dark eyes are too harsh. Well, I'm here to bust those myths and prove that you can absolutely rock contour, eyeliner, and even bold glam confidently at 52 and beyond. So let's go. I'm starting with the Eyeshadow moisturizer. It hydrates deeply and gives the skin smooth and plump base. Hydration is essential, especially for mature skin, to help makeup apply flawlessly and prevent creasing. Next, I'm using Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Primer. It prevents creasing, keeps eyeshadow in place all day, and works beautifully on mature skin. Now I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for mature skin, just a tiny amount on the eyelids to even out color, cover veins, and prep for eyeshadow. It is a full coverage and hydrating, so it won't crease or emphasize the fine lines. Don't skip this step. Use a damp sponge to remove excess products. Right now I'm doing the eyelids, just blending it out for a smoother, more natural finish. Now, using the Natasha Denona Biba palette Neutral, we are starting with the perfect peach transition shade to balance and lift the eyes. Watch how we soften the brow bone and brighten the lids to bring the deep set eyes forward with a flawless natural look. Now I'm layering lighter shades from the Morphe palette to seamlessly blend out the neutral peach tone. This step creates an ultra soft flawless transition for the perfect diffused look. To define the eyes, I'm using Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Pencil, my absolutely favorite. It's ultra pigmented, smudge proof, and sets fast, so work quickly for a flawless, long-lasting line on the waterline or as an eyeliner. This video isn't sponsored, so no one is paying me to say any of this. I'm just sharing my honest experience with products I personally buy and I truly love, and I'm generally recommending them to you. Now I'm taking a tiny blending brush to gently smudge the eyeliner, giving the eyes soft definition without any harsh edges. The goal is a smooth, diffused look that enhances without overpowering. Next, I'm going back to the Natasha Denona Biba palette, mixing the deeper brown shades on a small brush. I'm applying them from the outer corner to the inner corner to blend out the brown pencil and create a soft smoky eyeliner effect with a smooth diffused finish. We're finishing up the eyes with false lashes, but not the usual strip lashes. We're using individual lash pieces, which looks way more natural and flattering. Especially for mature skin, they blend beautifully at just the right amount of volume and never look overdone or cheap. Finally, it's time for the skin. I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Skin Hydra Glow Foundation. It's perfect for dry or mature skin, giving a natural, radiant, dewy finish. I'm applying a thin layer and letting it set while move on with other products, which helps it melt beautifully into the skin when I blend it with a beauty blender. Next, I'm using the Clarins concealer to brighten up under the eyes and the T-zone. I'm also contouring the nose with a concealer and a contour product to create a more lifted, smaller appearance. And this is really important. I'm using the same GLAM Golden Sun Contour Stick to contour the face, but I'm using it higher than usual to lift to define the features. I'm also contouring the forehead and chin to create a proportional balanced shape. The key here is to use soft natural contour shade. Don't go overboard. It's all about subtlety so it looks seamless and not fake. Now it's time to blend everything out. I have applied contour, concealer, and foundation, but I haven't blended yet, so we're using a damp beauty sponge to blend it all together for a natural, seamless finish. Then with a small blending brush, I'm applying powder to a T-zone, especially under the eyes, which is especially important to avoid creasing. While the trend is matte, I'm all about keeping the skin dewy and natural, so we are only powdering the T-zone and under the eyes. To set the cream contour, I'm using a powder contour from Kylie Jenner in a very light shade. This helps to lock in the cream contour, ensuring it stays in place and lasts longer throughout the day. Now it's time for blush, which is most important step on the youthful lifted makeup look, especially for mature skin. Blush brings back that natural flush we lose with age, and it's often more important than contour. You can even skip the contour entirely, but never skip the blush. Apply it generously to the highest points of your cheek, a bit of the forehead, nose and chin to create a balanced, cohesive look that connects all the areas of your face. Now I'm using a lip liner from MAC, which I absolutely love for its creamy texture. It is so smooth that you can even wear it on its own as a lipstick. I'm gently overlining her lips, just a little bit, don't go overboard, or it might look like a mustache. If you're aiming for a gradient effect, a subtle overline works best for making your lips look fuller and juicier. Afterwards, I'll blend it with a brush before applying a lighter lipstick shade in the center. For mascara, I'm applying it to the lashes to blend them seamlessly with the false lashes, giving them a natural look while making them darker, since natural lashes aren't as dark as the false ones. And finally, I'm setting everything with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, my favorite. Just a few spritz all over, and this look will last all day for sure. And this is the final look. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and support me so we can create more content like this. Feel free to leave any question or thoughts in the comments. I'll be happy to help. And if you're interested in makeup tips for mature skin or other age groups, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.